Alrighty. So today, just wanna get menu navigation working, and um, and maybe just fade in background music. So just to get little things doing, working. Interact with, yeah. So this one, interact with pause menu buttons and fade in background music. So I did do a little research beforehand to understand how to do the menu navigation. Of course, normally, sorry, there's just dust on my laptop. Um, what was I gonna say? Totally forgot. Menu. So the idea is, yeah. So there's these signals. You have to do something. Hmm. So yeah. So from what I understand, you don't want to do menu navigation from here because that's just going to be messy. And this is already handled, I think, technically. So there, we'll just do pass for now. Because then in here, this is where it's gonna, yeah, we don't want it in scenes, we want it in scripts. Scripts, please. Okay. So in here, we want to be able to fetch these two. So okay. So in here, what we want to do is we want to I don't remember. I think on ready you want to do a grab focus, I think. But you want that for the button, I think. Frick. I forgot. I gotta look up what I was. Yeah, it's within the button. So you have to make a script for it. Oh, I didn't mean to press play. Whoops. Okay, so it'll be in here. It'll be whatever. Oh, wouldn't I just do resume button? Yeah. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, let's just close all the tabs. Oh, I didn't mean to. Frick. There we go. So then the resume button should just grab focus, and then in here we should need to do that. Then we just need to connect signals. And now I've also learned how to connect signals through code instead of having to do it through the dumb UI. Like go to the node and then find your signal. So what you can do is you can do so you can go to, okay, so resume underscore button dot, and then we can find its signal, and we can go, okay, pressed dot connect, right? Wait, how do I? Signals, yeah. So wait, do we have to do like this? How do I do this? I do press dot. And then you have to put in whatever you want to connect it to, the function that you want to connect it to. And so then the function we want to do is going to be, okay, function. We're going to do zoom btn press. Let me just take that and do this. Right? Oh my God. I've already forgotten everything. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. It's weird how it doesn't. I guess I was just expecting the IntelliSense to recognize that this has this method. Anyway, okay, and then we want also um, quit btn dot pressed dot connect, and we want that to connect to same thing as this, except but we're gonna call it quit button pressed. Okay, and then on ready, when it gets loaded up, it'll run these to make these connections, and then these will automatically get connected. Beauty. Okay, so now what do we want to do in this? We want to have this as have the same effect as what we were doing here, which was menu. We set this variable. Ah, we don't want to have access to that. Frick. Damn it. I guess we'll have to just emit a signal. I don't want to do that. I don't want to have a reference. Oh, I really don't like that. Maybe what if I just simulate? I have the button simulate this press, and then it'll get red. Let's try that. It feels sketchy, but let's do it. So input dot action press, and then we can do menu. And then it's just gonna simulate the press, and then here we can just get quit, right? Is that what I'm doing in the get tree get quit? Yeah. Beautiful. All right. This is gonna work. Jeez. Okay, so if I press this, it doesn't have it focused. What the frick, man? Well, that still works. Should escape. Okay. Why isn't this resume button grab focus working? It's on ready. What are we doing? We're making it visible. I think the issue is that it's on ready. It should be, we need grab focus only when the menu is visible. Or maybe I misunderstand how grab focus works. It's yeah, I gotta find. I need to. It's really annoying. This kind of setup because I'm just basically on my couch on this nice chair, but I have a desk, but it's really cluttered and I don't have a good chair. Whatever. Steal the focus from another control to become the focus control. See focus mode. Hmm. Maybe that doesn't work. Maybe you have to have its own stupid script. Built-in script. And then just on ready, we're just gonna do grab. Focus. So, and then here we'll just hashtag this guy out. Get him out of here. Alright, what do we want now? Nothing. Still no focus. Why? So that doesn't work. So could we just move that script? Resize, mouse entered, GUI input. Interesting. Child entered, ready. Visibility changed. Ooh. Yeah. Let's connect that to a function here. So what was it? It's self, right? I have this selected. So it's so visibility changed dot connect, and then we want to connect that to a function. We want to call the function what? On menu open. It's not going to be opening or closing anything, because this is it's a toggle, so this has to enable and disable it. Do we want to just call focus to it every time? Let's try it. Yeah, and then that should work, and then if I go resume, it should just simulate. Awesome. Okay, that works. But there was a bug there. I'll try and simulate. Right. So this is good. So that, I pressed escape to open the menu, to pause menu. I can still move around, I can still look, that's good. Hasn't paused the game. I'm gonna escape again to get out of there, and it still works. And then I press escape again, it opens. Great. Now if I go to resume or press enter, I can attack, I can jump, I can do all the things without the menu open. I'm gonna press escape, it doesn't open. And then I press it again. I'm assuming because close. I'm assuming it's because it's not toggling this button. But it should though. Because it did set it to invisible, right? It simulated the input. It had to, because it did, when I pressed enter to confirm that resume is what I wanted to do in menu, it simulated the button press, which it definitely did activate this because I'm not, changing the visibility there. I got distracted. What was I saying? On resume button, input action, press menu. Okay. Here is action, just press menu. It sets itself to not that. It sets the hurt box collision. True, false, true, false. That looks like it's right. Menu visible equals menu open. Menu open, grab, focus. So this is working. When I press resume, right? It should print out that. Let's do this again. Okay, so press menu. Okay, yeah, it did print. I'm gonna press menu again. It did print, and it did change both times, right? And that's the interaction right here. Alright, now I'm gonna press that, and then I'm gonna press resume, and it should print out true. It did. Okay, so I can still do that. Okay, now I'm gonna press escape, and it didn't do anything. Oh, I see. I think it's because it's locked to press. I never. Oh, I think I understand. I understand. So what's happening is I'm pressing it, but it's keeping it pressed. So when I press escape, it cancels out that action press. It releases it, and then it's a is just pressed, and a release isn't a just pressed. That's a just released. So we need to rename. We do this. So it would be dot action. Hmm. Hmm. Can I do press? Input. Let's look at you again. Hmm. I figure I can't. I figure you can't just do. Why do I have this open? I don't need this open. Close you. I'm assuming you can't just do action press and then action release right after. That's not gonna go well. I get maybe it'll just add it to the buffer. What's the difference? What's this? Input action. An input event type for actions. It contains a generic action which be that's not what I want. Maybe it will work. Who knows? Maybe it will. Oops! My mouse. What did I do? I pressed plus by accident. That's okay. Come on. Work. Okay, so I did that. Resume. Oh, did I press the right button? Okay, resume. Yeah, it seems to be working. It's working great. So you can just do that. It just adds it to the buffer of inputs. Okay. And that should work with the controller too. So let's verify. start. I can still control, and then I use the D-pad. Yeah, oh my gosh, this D-pad is weird. It's like a mesh button. And then I can press A. Wait a second. What did I do? It seems, did I do that? Did I remove the select button from the built-in UI accept enter KP enter space UI select? So I need to add a button into this accept. So we need to do that. That's the A button. So fingers crossed this doesn't break anything. So if I move around, I'm gonna attack. Okay, and then I'm gonna press start. I'm gonna go quit, press A. Quit. Great. Works with the controller. Just thinking. Maybe I can release the mouse when anytime a controller input is a joypad input is detected, we can release the mouse, and then if there's a keyboard input, we can capture the mouse. I don't know. That sounds complicated, but we got the see, this is what I'm talking about. My mouse is still captured. What the heck? It's risky. It's very, very frisky. Done. This is kind of what I'm thinking about. But let's do the fade in the background music, because that sounds like a good exercise. So we need world audio stream player. This can be our background music. I think we want to add a script. Yeah. Name we're gonna call background. Music player. I don't want it to be built in. I don't care. Wait, is this auto-loaded? Autoplay, yeah. So volume. So can I go... Volume dB. Now what? Hello? Where's volume dB? There we go. Volume of sound in dB. It's a float. Okay. I just wanted to verify that. Okay. We're going to set that equal to negative, I don't know, here, we want to increase the volume per process. So self dot two. Is that gonna be fast? I don't know. Let's see if this actually is like muted. I can barely hear it, but all right. Shift escape. My mouse is still freaking. Maybe I should just on tree exit. How do I do that? Where's my camera? My camera. Please. Oh, I do have it open. I totally wasn't paying attention. Okay. Oh, maybe I don't do it in here. Maybe I do it in here. Input. Fully. Mouse mode. I don't want it captured anymore. How do I? So maybe just mouse mode visible then. Let me just do that. And we'll have to do that. Oh, maybe I could just simulate kill game. Yeah. Super easy, man. Oh yeah. Okay. So then yeah. See, now I get my mouse back immediately. Awesome. Okay. Crap, I don't remember what I was doing. Background music, close all others. So now let's see how fast that works. I hear it. It's pretty slow. What was I thinking of? Crap. I just lost what I was thinking about. Come on, man. Oh yeah, frame rate. Default gravity vector. Cool. So this is how you would change the gravity vector. Oh, that's cool. Okay. I'm just thinking like planets, and then you could rotate around. You know. Navigation, 2D, 3D, layer names, input devices, editor. Huh. So that was pretty slow. I don't know how fast this is. I'm assuming it's 60 frames per second. So it's going to go from -20. So then what? Can we do like 0.1? Is that going to be faster? It's 2.5. Let's see, how fast is that? That's a little faster. Oh, too fast. Let's try that. 0.2. That's okay. Just gonna have a bar. We're gonna call it fade in. What? Well, I can't use dashes? I can't use dashes? Oh, you're killing me. We're gonna call that 0.25. So we're gonna do fade in rate. It's gonna take longer, but it's not gonna be in your face all once. All right. Oh, I'm having so much fun. Die. Okay. Okay. Good. Very good. So fade in's pretty easy. I could probably make a just a function called function fade in. And we'll just do that. And we'll just call fade in. Do rate. There we go. Now we can just tell it to fade in. There. And then we're going to have a fade out. We're going to do the same thing, but it's going to be backwards. Now we're going to do minus 25. And then, yeah, the rate from there to there. do if it's greater than or equal to just greater than I don't want to use magic numbers. All right, var. Just call it fade rate. Huh? Oh yeah. Do I need this self? It's greater than else turn it off. Crap. Why am I in here? Autoplay playing. Can I just call stop? Yeah. What am I doing? What am I doing? Come on, right here. Yeah. Wonder, can I? Pitch scale. Wonder if I could just lower that, like, have variation, alert between variations. Anyway, that should work. Now we got both those. Just don't. Yeah. Whatever. That's it, internal, but it doesn't matter. Okay. Great. So yeah, so that works. Great. So that's done. Camera lock on feature. I think, I'm getting all these puzzle, like making all these building blocks, and I'm slowly like learning how each thing works, and but like this isn't making a game. This is just kind of building foundations, right? Like it doesn't feel good to play. It's boring to watch. It's boring to play. It's not interesting, and you know that working on that is or making that better is totally dependent on the feel, and that's kind of tied to animations and the art, and just kind of like, because like what game make games so fun is the feedback, right? So if you're not getting any feedback, that's like the worst thing. Like you need sounds, you like use controller vibration, um, visual stuff, right? And so we do have a little bit of visual stuff. We see the guy swinging, but there's no swing sound, there's no hit sound, there's no, nothing. So first things first is to, I guess, get that basic stuff working. But I would like to, because like I would like a SFX folder, and then I want an audio player to have access to all those stuff. So in-game menu, don't need that. So let's just in here. I'm thinking, how do I want it? What do I want to tie the audio streamers to? Do I want to tie it to the person? Do I want to tie it to the weapon? Because like I imagine, oh, each weapon's gonna have. Well, I guess it's a weapon animation set, right? I guess it would also be tied to the weapon. Like if it's like, I don't know, a magic staff, that would be tied to the type of weapon that you're using. That's tricky. Hmm. Well, I'm sure we can do something. We can like get. So we have the animation player. Let's play. Let's get a audio stream player. Okay. We're gonna call this our player audio player audio player. That's good. Stream generator. Hmm. I guess we need sounds first, don't we? I think about it for 5 seconds. Yeah, go up close to the microphone. Go whoosh. No. I guess we ought to look at the docs, hey? Hmm. So stream. So I can change the stream. And I'm guessing we what we do is we give it a path, I guess. Is that what we do? So if I go here and I go I guess we'll have to attach it, hey? Yeah, here. I don't think I'm using this. Right? Because it's the interactable object that's listening. Whatever. Whatever. Like not used right now. Okay, on ready. So we need another reference. Just call it audio player. All right. So we get hit. How do I tell it to play once? So we get it. So if attacked, we also want to do audio player dot stream. You can add effects. Get stream name. Hmm. I go here. I guess. How in the hell do I set that? Playback position, get stream playback, has stream playback. Learning, reading, learning. Doesn't really tell me. Abstract object that emits sound. Sound can come from many places, but is most commonly loaded into the file system. It can be loaded into audios as audio streams and placed inside an audio stream player. You can find information on supported formats, differences. Okay, yeah. Okay. Can I just go to like audio? I do load. Is it a resource? Oh boy. Hmm. Hmm. Doesn't help me. Let's try this. Load. Where's our audio? I got pictures. Hmm. I totally bypassed it, didn't I? Script scenes. Audio. Here we go. We'll just play this. Can I do a quick load? Let's see. Let's see if that works, and then we can do audioplayer dot play. Hopefully it'll just play once. It's gonna be totally messed up. It's not gonna work at all, is it? So it does. That's exactly how it works. I'm guessing preload and load doesn't really. So that's how we can do that. Can we have like an array? What's the difference between load and preload? Oh, what's going on? Okay. Oh. Then the absolute path, unless it's already referenced elsewhere, which such as in another script in the scene. The resource is loaded from disk on function call, which might cause a slight delay, especially when loading large scenes. To avoid unnecessary delays when loading something multiple times, either store the resource in a variable or use preload. May be attained by right-clicking on a resource in a file system doc, choosing copy path, or by dragging. Ooh. What? They didn't do anything. Wait. 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 There we go. Dynamic variable path. Use load. Okay, so I can just have a list of all the effects I want. That's going to be complicated. I have no idea how I want to do that. By complicated, I mean probably not, but effort to think about. So I probably don't want to load this per attack. I probably want to preload and then just reference it. So I can do on ready. We can do where do I want to put this? Physics variables references. We don't want that. We want Component reference variables. Audio. Res for resource. Audio resource references. And so this is going to be a var. Probably want it on ready. I want to just call it audio stream. Call it stream. You can call it a stream. I could just call it tac sound and make that equal to preload. And I can just do tac sound, and then that should work, right? Yeah. So every time I attack, I wonder if I can do that in the animation, but that's going to be tied to, because if I do it in the animation, then all the enemies will make the same sound. So yeah, they won't, because they don't have an audio stream. Yeah, it works. So I guess we can add this to here. Change, I guess. New one, make attack sound. I guess just make SFX attacks hits grunts. And then maybe menu clicks, I guess. Oh, it's so annoying. So, got the building blocks there. Hmm. What's next? Because like I was saying before, it's like it's all building blocks. Like this is a building block. All the stuff that's gonna feel good is when I actually flesh all this stuff out, like make actual characters. And so that's gonna be Blender. That's gonna be more beatbox.com stuff, making sound effects. But I don't know if that's a good idea. Maybe I don't really like the idea of downloading them, but that's gonna be the easiest thing other than spend hours and hours trying to get it just right, and then you know. Hmm. So I guess next is gonna be hmm. Like what other systems do I need? So there's stamina there, and along with that, there's gonna be sprinting and dodge rolling. So that's stamina management. Um, and then I guess maybe inventory. Hmm. And then also level design. I'm thinking about it. Oh yeah, and then there's also improve physics because there's like what was it? It was like a jolts. Is that what it was called? Let's see if we go to asset library. I remember it was input controller. Oh, I thought it was here. I remember seeing it somewhere. Interaction system C sharp. Maybe I should learn some C sharp. And A to Z. It's gotta be in here somewhere. Selection. Structs. What the hell is this? Would you look at that? I don't know what this graph is actually describing because it's just a bunch of numbers. It's memory. So structs, it's saying structs don't take up a lot of memory. Stop sitting cross-legged. My ankles are good. Simple portal system. That's nice. I just go name and then can I search? Um, does this start with a J? Is it jolts? Is this what it is? The Jolt physics engine. Yeah, Jolt. Godot Jolt. And it only works with 4.2. When was it last? Whoops, that's the wrong one. When was it last updated? Does it say? Hmm? Hmm. And I'm running 3, aren't I? Oh no, 4.2. Okay, good. Try learning Bounder to get actual. Oh, how long have we been going for? Doesn't feel like it's been that long. An hour? What the heck? What the heck? No one's dropped in. Oh, hey. Oh, asking about the laptop again. Okay. So it's been an hour. I apologize. I will answer the question. It is an Acer Aspire that I got in like 2018. I don't know anything other than that. It's okay. It's not the greatest. It works. I doubt it's gonna actually. Here, I need to do this either way. Uh, let's down this guy. Download him. Let's see if my laptop can actually handle this. In the meantime, I'm gonna get a drink. Maybe I'll also order a pizza. That might be a good idea. I could go for some pizza. Man, why? Just I'm curious why someone's tuning in and continually asking. Wonder why. Why does that matter? Why is that an important question? Oh, someone's home. Anyway, this is done. Good. Okay. Oh boy. All right. All right. All right. How big is this? It's not too bad. It's only a gigabyte. this gonna affect the stream? Actually, now thinking about it. Let's close this guy. Let's make sure everything's saved. Yeah. There we go. This doesn't taste great. What happened? Is this expired or something? I doubt this thing would have an expiry date. Ugh. Let's see how pathetic I am. I did watch a few pathetic at using this. I haven't. I think I've attempted twice to get into Blender. But both times it's like there's a big barrier. Okay. Sounds good. Now, what I remember, here's your modifiers. Edit mode allows you to edit the box. So, what am I making? I don't know. Let's make something generic. I would like to make a sword to replace the one I downloaded because I'm really thankful that I found a free asset, but I want to. So how can we do this? So location, we don't care. Scale, we do not care. Delta transform. Okay. This is the object properties. Modifiers. How do I move stuff? Move. Shift spacebar G. Rotate is R. So move is G, R, and S. Okay. Why G? I guess G for grab, right? Yeah. I escape to escape that. Yeah. Okay. So how am I gonna do this? I guess what I want to do. We had a mirror. Along the frick, which one's the X? Yeah, the X, sure. Okay. Now we go into edit mode. So if I do that. Yeah. Oh, it's 2 cubes. I see. Just tab. Okay. If I G. Oh. Interesting. Okay. I don't know if merge is what we want, but whatever. Tab. Right. Okay. Why is that? Very strange. Ah. Can middle click. Am I copying it? Why is it doubled? Man. Same thing. Man. So there. Now if I grab and then I press X, it'll be on the X axis. Cool. I'm learning. I don't know what middle clicking does. It does. Oh, that's how you can lock. Cool. Okay. Let's escape. All right. How do I want to do this? I guess I can erase that modifier. Select all these, delete. Everything. Okay, and then we go A to add, right? What do I add? Edit mode. Let's get edit mode. Shift A. I was close. I was close. Okay, mesh. We want a plane. Okay, great. We want to then edit this. We want to edit this. We want to move. Just grab these two. We want to move along the x-axis. I have no idea. Can I do one? 80. Okay. So then here, we can go to modifier. We can add mirror and then merge. Distance within mirrored vertices are merged. Okay. So now, looking at it up here, great. Now, how do I use the skizzers? Loop cut. Control R. So if I grab this edge, and then if I go, what was it? R. So it's Control R. Row. I can grab and then on the x-axis move that in. All right, we're getting somewhere. Okay. I do want to do that loop cut though. I need to learn how to do that better. So it's grab the edge, right? And then you do Control R. And then crap. I guess what do I just grab this vertex? I delete the vertex. Dang it. Can I merge these? Merge. Yeah. There's our our point. Of our sword, anyway. And I guess I take these two and I grab that along the y-axis. Oops. And let's just go there. Oh, there's a camera and a light source. We don't need those, though. I guess I want to select this edge. And I want to, where do I do this? And then add a modifier. Oh, here we go. Go there, sure. And then now, I don't know. I can extrude that, I guess. I don't know. I think. What do I want to do here? I want to raise these, right? So then I want to G and then lock it to there. And then go up a little bit. Like that. Yeah. Oh, I also want to mirror this. Go to object mode. We want to mirror again. For this time on the y-axis. Nope. On the z-axis. Yeah. There we go. So there we go. We got, it's a bit chunky. um, all right. Now I want to do this again because I want to just give it a little depth. So we want to add another offset edge slice. What? I just want to go inside once. No. No, it's not what I want. This is what I want, but oh yeah, there we go. Do that there. So we want to take these guys and no, now we want vertices. So we want this guy, this guy, this guy, and this guy, and this guy. And I want to grab them, and I'm going to go on there, and I want to just go in just a little bit, like that. Yeah, here we go. Look at that. Oh, chef's kiss. Okay, it's still pretty short. So, I think I also want to move it. I want to move the whole object up a bit. But I guess we'll do that after. Ah, yeah. No, I'm gonna do that along the Y. How do I focus? View. Frame selected. There we go. Okay. So I want to select all these. I want to move it along the Y. Something's not. Why am I selecting one down there? That? What the heck? Why is it selecting something that's down there? I'm kerfuzzled. Why is that being selected down there? Oh, is that a vertex? What? I don't understand. Pick those vertices. I want you to grab that. On the X to Y. It's not grabbing that one. Is it a duplicate or something? Interesting. Oh no, I must have done a whoopsies. Okay, just those. G, Y. Why isn't that being selected? Bruh. It's rough. Let's go there. Why aren't you moving? Can I just delete you? What did I do wrong here? Is this doubled? Is this line doubled? Is there two? I'm kerfuzzled. Oh, isn't that wonderful? Brutal. I don't know what I did, but I did a bad. Great. Can I connect? There you go. All right. Now this should work, right? Yeah. All right. Let's go there. Why is that vertex still there? Let's delete that. Let's move the whole thing up like that. Beautiful. I'm guessing. All right, now let's add a generate deform, maybe. Array, build, decimate, here, edit. What's the word I'm looking for? Subdivision? Oh, 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 oh. I don't know. That's what I want. Hmm. What was it called? I'm pretty sure it was like subdivide or something like that. You. Not really. Hmm. I don't know. That's funny. I don't. I don't understand. So that's definitely smoothing it. But when I go to simple, it's not. It doesn't do anything. So I'm a little kerfuzzled because it's not smoothing anything. It's not really. Maybe that's not what we want. Maybe we want it just to be subtle. Select this, and we can select this, and then we could maybe do bevel edge. Let's escape here. Let's focus on this guy. We do this, and then we go bevel. What's even happening, man? I thought I selected this one too. Create a bridge of faces between two or more selected edge loops. Why doesn't that work? Doesn't work, eh? Oh, what did I press? I pressed B. Whoops. Maybe I gotta do my tools here. Inset faces, extrude, bevel. That's not doing what I thought it would do. Control Z. And that does not work whatsoever. Why doesn't that work? Oh boy. How am I messing this up? Okay, that was bad. Is this bad? Maybe that was it. Maybe there was just a duplicate guy there. Let's try this now. Control B is a bevel. That does not work. Maybe I have to subdivide first. Can I like subdivide these? Okay. Now, that was technically a subdivision. Oh boy. I don't think this is working. Yeah. It's weird. It's as if this. Oh, is that double? Do you see that? It's like thicker than this one. Don't want to delete that. Don't want to delete that. Bevel this goddamn. Because, like, you'd think it would be normal. Can you not bevel this because it's locked? I don't know. Yeah, it's not doing anything. Hmm. Disappointing, man. Huh. Oh, what you can do it here. Hmm. Do I have to like maybe I have to do it via vertices. And then I can do a bevel from that. Seems to be working there, but it's not applying to this guy. Why? Hey, what's happening on the other side? What's going on here? Let's just uh something happening over there? View frame selected. So this looks like it did it right. Okay. But I go over here. What did I just do? What does F do? View. Oh, I just like go toss through. Okay. So I don't know why. This isn't beveling. Do I have to do a loop cut right here? Maybe? Why is it so complicated? Is it because this is weird? Yeah, let's see if we can do loop cuts here. Hmm? Can I bevel you? Just you. No, you can't. Okay, why? Is that why? There's a friggin' duplicate there. Can I change this guy's location? Because this is a move. We'll love to move you to a position. To the X0. Can I see this guy's particles, physics, constraints, data, material, constraints, tool, active tool, render, don't care, output, don't care, scene, world, collection, object. Hmm. Alright, good enough. Oh yeah. Okay. Can I bevel you now? Will you allow me? No. Oh, oh, oh. We're getting somewhere. All right, there's another vertex that's being annoying. Ugh. All right, you know what? We're not gonna worry about it. This is good. All right, can I view frame all? Okay, good. We don't care. You. Let's go view frame all. View. Local view cameras. Viewpoint. Navigation. Oh, I'd like to view origin actually. Can I view frame? whatever. All right, let's make a new hilt. So let's make a new object. So Control A. Let's just go add mesh. Cube. I would like to. Interesting. You can't just go view frame selected. Okay. SX. Mirror. X global. Okay, and we want to go into edit mode. It's not mirrored. What? What? I already forgot how to. Oh, it hurts, man. I'm doing something wrong, that's for sure. Control A. Cube. What's the difference? I think bisect is what we want, right? Oops. I literally just did that, didn't I? All right, so scale, we want what? No, we want Z. Like that. And then we want scale on the X. Let's go like that, and then it just needs to be that thick for Y. Okay. So now let's do a edit. We want to do a loop cut. sure. Okay. All right. And now G Y O Z. Oh, I want to do the Z. Yeah. New vertices. Vertices. So I don't know, maybe I can actually do this. And then I could go scale. Something like that. It's kind of interesting, I guess. And I guess we could do the same thing. Whoa, 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 whoa. Can I do like a shift? Do like a control. I don't know how to like. There? I don't know. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. G is Z. I don't want to make it thinner like that. I want to take U. No, I want to take the vertex U. I'm going to grab you and go on the Y. Do it like that. Yeah. Whoa, why is this stuff happening over there and then this stuff is like not really, but it's still mirrored? Okay, well, whatever. I guess it applies both sides then. Interesting. Interesting way of doing that. Now we need to handle. So we need to add mesh, and it's going to be a cylinder. And I want to rotate on the Y, on the X, 90. I'm going to grab along the Y. I'm going to bring it down like there. I want to scale it maybe like that. And then over here in edit mode, I want to grab your face. I need to grab you and then go into edit mode there. Grab your face and extrude. in that. Wait a second. This is too many. That's too many. How can I change your properties? Modifiers, particles, physics, constraints, data. Geometry data. Just wondering if I could change. That's okay. Let's delete you. Oh, I don't want to be in edit mode. I want to be in object mode. Delete. Add. Cylinder. Vertices. Let's do 8. Yeah. Uh, 90. Can I change scale? No? Okay. Crap. Yeah, that's good. And then we want another cylinder for the bottom. That's pretty, whatever, it works. And then we want to make another. Cylinder. Okay, and then we want to scale the Z. Oh. We scale it uniformly. Just do this. There. And then scale the Z up. All right, there we go. We got a low poly swad. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all these guys and then grab on the Y and then just make sure that it's like that. Yeah. Texturing, whatever. Hilt's pretty thick, but it'll work. I wonder, could I twist? Can I add a modifier to like twist it so that it's more of like a twisted deform? Displace, hook, Laplace, lattice, mesh, simple deform, smooth, warp, wave. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, twist. I don't want. Oh, yeah. Give me like 20 degrees. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It's a slight twist. that's pretty cool. I don't know. That doesn't really do much. Let's try and increase this to like 30. Come on, we can do better. Let's do 50. What's 50 look like? It looks like it's narrowing it more. I don't know, but I think that's pretty cool. That looks pretty cool. Let's twist it like that. I think that's pretty dang dope. What if I do 90? What's that going to do? Real weird. That's too much. Let's go 55. What does that look like? That looks pretty good. Yeah, it looks kind of like there's like halfway there, and it's kind of halfway, not quite, but whatever. I think that looks cool. Maybe we'll just do 45, because that's like a traditional nice round number. Anyway, so how do I friggin' export this? So I guess we'll need to apply everything, hey? So first we got, before we do any of that, before we apply anything, I'm gonna save. I don't have a place to save these. Let's make a new folder. I'm gonna call it Blender Modals. Save in there, and then in there, we're gonna call it Sword 101. I'm gonna call it Sword 1. Okay, cool. Now we got to apply these things. So in here, where the frick is this apply? Okay, this. Apply. Apply. This. Apply. This. Nothing. Okay, great. Great. It might be look weird, but whatever, I don't care. All right. Now file, export as, what the frick am I? I think this is what we want. I think this is the thing we want. Yeah. There's no animation. I don't care. All right. Did it do it? Is it done? Let's save. Okay. So now we're gonna take this. All right, and then I should be able to just hopefully just import that. And I'm going to call it custom sort or something. Okay. Perfect. I don't really want to copy this scene. I want to copy here. Yeah, these are scenes components. I think I don't want to instantiate. I want to maybe I just copy this and replace it. Now we with scenes, get audio, we'll go assets. Yeah. Look at that. Fresh from the yeah. Okay, so we want to frick, I've already forgotten how to scale. Is it E? Is it Q? It's R. It's R. Okay. We want to go this way, so this should be 90. That's still massive. A bit bigger. Make it about the same length. Yeesh. Alright, and then this thing, go F. No, we don't want to scale. I'm an idiot. Don't do what I'm doing. Get is we want to grab these things. That's about right. Okay. Damage. Name. Custom sword damage. Come on. That's not good damage. We need make it 12. Make it a little bit better. All right. Awesome. And now we can do now is we can go and we can change it. What the heck? There's a come on, where's the change? I can't change? Okay, what if I scenes? Oh, oh, I want to cancel it. I want to delete this one. Sword. All right. It should just work. Yeah, we got a new custom sword. Look at it. It's so pretty. I hate that attack noise now. It's not the greatest. But yeah, this should do 12 damage now. And it just works. It just works. All right. Quit. Very cool. So I got custom sword done. Make the better character model. Make animations capitalize, because I assume it's easier to do animations in Blender than in Godot. Well, I'm surprised my computer is actually running Blender, but I guess it's not really, wasn't rendering it. I didn't have any rendering fancy rendering settings or anything. But yeah, awesome. That's gonna be Blender question mark. But I don't know, maybe I'll have to do some drawings and make up some concepts for like layouts. Like I do like their twin tower, kind of rock tower level that I had at the beginning of all this. But those were all made of CSG meshes, which, you know, we only need, the only things we need for collisions are whatever the just like the wall faces and the because like all the visual, like all the stuff in the background doesn't need colliders. We don't need that. What else? Custom skybox is probably going to be nice. Yeah. Okay. Don't know exactly what we're going to do next, but I think this will be it for me. It's a lot of new information, but I'm pretty happy with this SWAD. I wish I could make it because like I thought you did the surface subdivide, and then that just kind of, I still need to learn. I need to look up Blender tutorials better, but that's pretty good. It's not bad at all. Fancy SWAD. Cool. All right. Very, very cool. All right. Boy, boy. Good stream.